Hello guys, welcome back at T-Line app. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix NordicTrack s22i screen not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if it's not working, there are going to be a few things that you could try here. So first is you could try resetting it. So first is you want to locate the reset button. So on the s22i, you'll find it on the left side of the screen, so near at the top here. So just look for a small hole. It's pretty easy to miss. Now you want to go ahead and plug your s22i from the outlet, and you want to take a paper clip or something similar, as long as it's very thin but also quite sturdy, and you want to go ahead and insert that into the small hole that we just found. Now you want to press and hold the reset button with the paper clip while still holding the reset button. Plug in the s22i back into the outlet. Now keep holding for a few seconds until you hear the, or in this case, hear or feel a click. Then release it. Now check if the screen starts working again, and in this case, you should be good. Now if that doesn't work, you could maybe try replacing the control board. Now if resetting doesn't work here, if in this case, the problem could be with the control board itself. So in this case, the control board typically costs around like $170 and can be replaced yourself, now if you're comfortable with it. So before purchasing, make sure to sure the control board is compatible with your NordicTrack model first, and look for a specific detail on the part or check with the seller for confirmation. Now if you go with this route, replacing the control board is usually a straightforward process. But in this case, if you're not comfortable with that, I would suggest you to highly, or in this case, consult with a professional or hire someone to do this for you. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to T-Line app. Thank you for watching.